This video is a guide to help you learn how to use your Grow and Go 2-in-1 belt positioning booster car seat featuring ComfortWings. Please be sure to read the complete instruction manual and your vehicle's owner's manual, which include important warnings and other information to help you make sure your seat is installed correctly. Lay the backrest flat-oriented as shown. Press in and hold both sides of the center button to retract the inner pegs in the backrest connection slots. Continue pressing both sides of the button with one hand and lift up the bottom of the backrest with the other. Align the open sides of the hooks over the outer pegs in the connection slots. Push the hooks down over the outer pegs and then let go of both sides of the button to release the inner pegs and secure the backrest to the seat base. Lift the backrest all the way up until it clicks into the upright position. Place the booster seat forward-facing in the vehicle. The vehicle's seat back must be in the upright position, but you can adjust the angle slightly to better match the angle of the booster seat. Route the lap belt portion of the vehicle belt under both armrests. Buckle the vehicle belt. Pull the shoulder belt up to tighten it. Position the shoulder belt on your child. Thread the shoulder belt through the belt positioning guide in the headrest. Pull the shoulder belt up to tighten it so that it lies snugly across the center of your child's shoulder and across their chest, not on their face and neck. Place the backless booster seat forward-facing in the vehicle. The vehicle seat back must be upright. Route the lap belt portion of the vehicle belt under both armrests. Buckle the vehicle belt. Use the belt positioning clip only if necessary to help position the shoulder belt correctly on your child. Push the backrest down so that it clicks. Continue pushing the backrest down from the upright position until it lays flat. Press in and hold both sides of the center button while lifting the backrest up to separate it from the seat base. Once the backrest is fully separated, let go of the center button. Push the backrest down so that it clicks. Continue pushing the backrest down from the upright position until it folds in half. With the back side of the headrest now flat against the underside of the seat base, it is easy to carry the folded booster.